AMC stock analysis Thursday. Is it a buy for me? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. And as the only person and guy in the space with 41,000 videos, I've seen what's working for me and what's not. I'm telling you this because I've done 41,000 videos, right? It's all on my YouTube channel, especially now with a 2% increase in price. So there was two ways that I was looking to take advantage of this, where one was, to either have a break here above these highs, or if the price pulled down and gave me a shift here, to take it further up from there. And that's exactly what happened. If I pull here, you can see I have so many previous receipts in my Discord. I mean, generally speaking, unless I see like a proper double break, then there's just no way that I'm going to look to further buy. Do it like that. If I do not see this shift, then there's just no way that I'm going to look to take it up and buy. So yeah, that's ultimately how AMC is looking like for me. I mean, I'm going to get rid of this because all I'm waiting for is like a second shift, second range break. And I do have a lot of receipts in my Discord server, so no sweat there. If you do want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month trading, then just click the first link in the description and get my free emails.